Hey, what's up guys? This is Daniel with Redefine the Grind and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing on what is affiliate marketing and why I believe it's the best way to get started making money online. Also, I want to give a quick update on the affiliate bootcamp case study that I'm doing. Now, in case you haven't watched my previous video, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description below so you can get caught up. Just to recap a bit on my last video, I did a quick review on ClickFunnels and their affiliate bootcamp program and their potential earning. I mentioned that I would be doing a case study of me going through the affiliate bootcamp and promoting ClickFunnels itself. And well, here's my update. Yeah, not so good. I honestly haven't been promoting it that much this week, but I have been learning a ton of good stuff. And the information in the affiliate bootcamp program is just phenomenal. One thing I want to share with you guys that was presented in the affiliate bootcamp program that I implemented this week was engaging in affiliate marketing Facebook groups. So pretty much what they tell you to do is go into these Facebook groups and you help people out, provide value, help anyone with any problems that they're going through with their online business or their affiliate marketing business. The point is for you to just build some authority and some trust with some of these people, by answering some questions. Then after, people would want to know what you're doing, what you're promoting, and how you're learning what you do. This method isn't the fastest or the best way to promote, but it is free and it doesn't really take that much effort on your part. If anyone is going through the ClickFunnels affiliate bootcamp or has taken it before, then you guys would know what I'm talking about. If you're contemplating on taking it, I suggest you do, since it's free, and they pretty much share so many other methods on how to promote ClickFunnels and just how to promote any offer in general. So now I want to share a little bit about what affiliate marketing is for those of you who don't really know or don't understand it completely. The model of affiliate marketing is basically you just being a salesperson or a marketer for someone else's product or service. There's so many people out there doing affiliate marketing in so many ways. Almost every company we know has an affiliate program, from Amazon to Target to Best Buy to Walmart. Other great examples are Airbnb, Expedia, and even Uber. The way this usually works is the company you sign up to be an affiliate with will provide you with a link that corresponds to you, and whenever someone buys off your link, purchase anything off your link, you will get a commissions for it. These affiliate links do have a tracking code and track the time from when someone clicks on your link to the time of purchase. Many companies track your link for about 30 days, some are less, some are more, but after those 30 days are up, there's no more commissions. It's free to sign up to most of these affiliate programs, although there is some companies that require you to have a website or a blog. Payout is about 5 to 40% commission. Some can be more. It just depends on the company or person you're signed up with. Now, there's a lot of ways that you can promote your affiliate link. You can do YouTube videos, blogs, articles, social media like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Most of these people do reviews on the product or service or do recommendations. Others just simply sell the product directly. Some companies actually provide banner ads, social media posts, and even email swipes to help you promote as well. All methods have been on order, so you can choose whichever one works for you. In the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp, they actually teach you how to promote their link, or even just teach you how to promote any offer in general for that matter. You can also check out a ton of other videos here on YouTube that can help you promote your offer as well. So the reason why I love the model of affiliate marketing is because you don't have to create your own product or service, which means you don't have to worry about customer service, returns, refunds, inventory, or having a store or building. It's also little to no overhead to get started. Basically, there's little risk to get involved and you can make a lot of money doing this. The model of affiliate marketing is by far the best way to get started creating your own online business. And of course, later down the line, when you make more money, you can reinvest into creating your own product or service. Alright guys, that's all for today. I will be continuing the ClickFunnels affiliate program case study until further notice. Now hopefully next video I actually have some earnings to show you guys, and of course I'll share how I did it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to get some more information on affiliate marketing and get some updates on the ClickFunnels affiliate bootcamp case study. Also, if you want to check out the ClickFunnels affiliate bootcamp, I'll leave a link in the description below, as well as for the 14-day free trial for the ClickFunnels software. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and I'll see you on my next video.